Flu season is coming. Be warned. So for some of y'all who never get the flu, you're like, oh, what? So what, right? But then there's others that you get the flu every single year around winter. And you also, maybe if you don't get the flu, you get viruses, you get sick, you get the common cold, you get allergies. Just every single year during the winter, you get sick. How do you stop it? You can stop it. Maybe you've tried Googling. Take some vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, vitamin K, you get a flu shot, you get a virus shot, you get this shot, that shot, whatever shot, you go get some, IV drips in your body and you still get sick, right? So why is that? That's because none of those, although they are helpful, don't get me wrong, I'm not hating on them, they are helpful, but they're all Band-Aids. They don't really fix the root cause. The root cause is organ dysfunction. It's our organs that help us prevent us from getting sick. So I've already mentioned in the first video that the gut is very important. The second important organ is your lungs, okay? You don't realize, most people don't know, your lungs are another organ that helps to boost your immune system. Now, does Western medicine show that that's the case? Probably not. The technology is not that advanced. But 3,000 years ago, they already found out the lungs help support the immune system. If you need more help in building your immune system, join our program at Divine Farmer Health.